guys, welcome to Nutritious Kitchen. So today we are here with wheat idlis. This is a diabetic friendly recipe as well as it is instant, nutritious and delicious. We are making it with lapsi, or you can also call it as dalia or crushed wheat. This does not require any fermentation or grinding. So let's make it. Ingredients for making wheat idlis are 1.5 cup curd, 1 cup of broken wheat or lapsi. Here we have taken the fine medium sized, not too large, not too small. Finely chopped coriander leaves. Here we have taken a few of them. About 2 tablespoons of grated carrot. A half teaspoon of urad dal, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon oil, 1/4 teaspoon of Eno fruit salt. Here we have used this one. So let's see the process. Keep the gas on a low flame and add about 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of urad dal and stir it and saute it in the pan. Add 1 cup of the lapsi or the broken wheat in it. Saute it and mix it well. Ensure that you mix it till it turns reddish brown, but do not let it burn. Also ensure that you roast it till a nice aroma comes out of it. It has started turning red, so keep it stirring on a low flame, but because if you do not, then it will get burnt. It has started turning red, but ensure that you keep it on a low flame or else it can get burnt. We have roasted this in about 10 minutes. So now we are taking it in a bowl, and after you take it in a bowl, let it cool down. The mixture has cooled down to room temperature. So we are adding about 1.5 cup of curd. The grated carrot, the finely chopped coriander, and you can add some salt to taste. Mix this very well. Ensure that you don't put the curd in the hot mix or else the curd will get spoiled. Now our batter for the idlis is ready. You can see the consistency of the batter. So now we are closing this with the lid and allowing it to rest for about 10 minutes. We are putting water for boiling in the idli stand, and also we are greasing the molds. 10 minutes are over and you can see how nicely the broken wheat has absorbed the moisture of the curd. Now add some water to adjust the consistency. First we are adding about 1 cup of water. We are adding half cup first. Check the consistency, and if required then add some more water. So totally we require about 3/4 cup of water. So you can see that now we have got the desired consistency. Everything we have measured with the same cup. So while you are making this, ensure that you use only one particular cup for all the ingredients. Now just before steaming, add 1/4 teaspoon of Eno fruit salt And when you are mixing this, ensure that you mix in one single direction and give it a very nice mix. Now immediately as you mix the batter, put it in the greased molds and put it for steaming. Before you steam the idlis, ensure that the water in the vessel is already boiling. Now let this steam for 10 minutes on a medium flame. Now separate the idlis like this from the molds. So our nutritious, instant and whole wheat idlis are ready. See how spongy they have become. So do let us know your comments, and also you can serve this idlis with the green chutney. The recipe for the chutney is given in the description box below. So if you like this recipe, do not forget to like, subscribe and comment to my channel. Also do not forget to press the bell icon to get the earliest notifications of my video. Thanks for watching.